everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Sorry, it's a little bit breezy, but we've got this really cool 5x10 all aluminum Aluma trailer, and I wanted to show it to you guys. It's got a ton of really cool features on it. This is a 5x10 plus a Vino, so this one's gonna measure just under 12 feet in total length, 5-foot interior height. Again, it's a 2019 Aluma. It's got a smooth skin and a pewter exterior. It's really, really pretty. This one does have some nice big tall diamond plate rock art along the bottom, as well as a cap on their Vino. So you're gonna have great rock protection with this unit as well. Nice big extended tongue. You've got a side swivel jack. This one is stock number 14586. And little 5x10 even has a side door with an RV lock, so that's a really cool feature too. Most 5x10s don't have side doors in them. This one also has a 3,500-pound torsion axle. So this torsion axle is going to give you guys an independent suspension underneath this trailer. It's got radial tires on it, as well as aluminum wheels and brakes. So ideal setup as far as that goes. You've got two overhead ladder racks on this unit as well, and a roof vent. You guys can see that with a max air cover on it, so you guys can have that roof vent open and not worry about it leaking water in on your stuff. Aluminum stabilizer jacks on the back. This one also has a ramp door, which is pretty rare on a 5x10 as well. And then with the Aluma product, you get an amazing quality. They've got the extruded aluminum floor in here. This is literally the most expensive floor you can put in a trailer, period, for cargo trailers. So amazing, amazing floor. Plus it's got the aluminum underneath as well. So this is a trailer that's gonna last you guys a very long time. It's more of a generational trailer, if you will. Here's this side of the unit. This one's also equipped with a two-way side vents. You guys can open and close these side vents, which is what this unit is right here. And then there's another one up there in that corner. Full plywood walls, so that's a nice feature. You also have the 4 D-rings, 2 here at the rear, 2 more up front. Again, 5-foot interior height. And then here's your max air roof vent back here. 1-piece aluminum roof, of course. And then this one's also equipped with a 30-amp power package. So you've got your breaker box up there. You've got an interior outlet plus an exterior outlet over next to that side door. And then you've got a nice little light switch right there that's gonna turn on and off that little LED puck light for you guys. And it's braced and wired for AC. That's what that yellow cord is hanging down. So literally you can drop an AC unit in this thing really easily because you've already got the wiring and the power package and the bracing for it. So another really cool feature. So again, just wanted to show you guys what this unit is. It's got a lot of goodies on it. It's built out and spec'd out really, really nicely. It's spec'd out like our high-end big car haulers. So super cool little 5x10. And here it is. As always, if you guys are in the market for a new trailer, give us a call, 303-688-8485, or always check us out online, coloradotrailersinc.com.